cheap and cheerful. Little 8x5, 8x4.5 inch kind of a trailer. Heavy duty catch chain there. It's a non-brake. We've got a VIN plate down here saying it's 500 kilograms. There'll be no weight at all in the trailer because it's mesh. Tyres look good. Drop down tailgate. I've just shown you the lights working on that tailboard. Big heavy duty lock chain there, so if these pins bounce out, you don't lose your tailgate while you're driving. There's your other little tyre, all looking good. There we have it. 545 quid will do a job. There we go, Yamaha 450 set up on the quad trailer there. Carry that with ease, very simple to load and unload.